Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today I am going to be shampooing my own hair, but I'm going to attempt to do it while laying in the bowl as a client. But outside of that, I'm really excited because finally, and when I say finally, our new and improved Moisture ELT is back. But it is back with a facelift and a new name. So I wanted to introduce you guys to our new Moist Repair Intense Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. And guess what? Even better, the shampoo is sulfate free. Yes, I'm super duper excited. So I want you guys to go ahead, come on this journey with me of attempting to shampoo my own hair as a client without holding my head down in a bowl. And we're just gonna try it out. But more importantly, we're gonna be using our Moist Repair Intense Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Let's get started. Okay, so I tried the madness of saying that I was going to shampoo my own hair sitting as a client in the shampoo bowl. Epic fail. But I wanted to show you guys that it was absolutely possible, but the bowl is not made for you to shampoo your own hair. So I started out by saturating my hair really well and rinsing out a lot of that spritz that was in the hair, because in today's shampoo, I'm focusing only on moisture. So I'm actually not going to be using our Elite Clarify for this shampoo process. I'll just be using the Moist Repair Intense Moisturizing Shampoo, which is also sulfate free. So I want you guys to see something. On my first shampoo, which is typically not normal with sulfate-free shampoos, my hair actually did sud somewhat. Now, of course, if it was nice and clean with the Elite Clarify, it would have sudded a lot more. But in this case, it did not. But I wanted you guys to see that it still has a really good sud factor, meaning it's going to clean that hair and that scalp really well, but it's not going to dry that hair out as though it would if you were doing like a clarifier first, okay? And of course, because Moist Repair is made as a universal moisturizer, it can be used on natural or relaxed hair, okay? So my first and second shampoo is going to be Moist Repair. But if you are one of my natural gals, you have a lot of product in your hair, I definitely recommend going ahead and clarifying first. If not, you can move forward directly into the moisture process. So as you guys know, today is Cyber Monday. If you're watching this video after Cyber Monday, then of course you know it's not Cyber Monday. But today is Cyber Monday. And Cyber Monday, all of our products are 40% off, including our new Moist Repair shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so everything is 40% off. And we have some bomb.com bundle deals running between $39 and $49 if you go to our website at elitehaircareusa.com. The code for the Cyber Monday sale is just that, Cyber Monday, all one word, and it will take 40% off. And shipping, today is the last day for the $7 shipping, no matter what you order, no matter how small or how large the order is. And of course, like I said, take advantage of those bundle deals. Lastly, you guys, please go and support my daughter's lip gloss line. They are collaborating this year, and the lip gloss packs, which are great stocking stuffers, are $9.99, and today is the last day for the $9.99 sale of the stocking stuffers. Anyway, back to what we were doing. I went ahead and applied the conditioner. Now let's go, and I got a little treat for you guys. Watch. All right, you guys. So as an added treat to myself, and something that I just said I wanted to try anyway, I said that while I was conditioning my hair, I was going to also apply a little bit of blue hair color to my hair. Now, this is a semi-permanent color, you guys. It is nothing more than a semi-permanent color. So it will fade. It's not going to show really drastic on my hair like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply some blue while my hair is conditioning, and just kind of add a little bit of tint to my hair. You know, as hairstylists, we always try stuff out. Now, I know you can refresh color in this fashion, of course, by adding a little bit of color to, or semi-permanent color to, your conditioner or shampoo, and that'll help to revive color. But I'm just gonna put some on my hair while it's being conditioned, which I don't expect it to make a drastic change, but it won't hurt. But remember, when you do this, it still stains, you guys. So you do want to make sure that at this point you do not allow this color to get on the skin, especially because it is a blue, and most fashion colors are stainy colors. So I'm actually going to go under the dryer, but my conditioner, which is our Moist Repair Intense Moisturizing Conditioner, which is a deep conditioner, is actually on the hair first, and then the conditioner is on the hair second. So I'm just gonna get 2 bangs for my buck. And this is semi-permanent, you guys. This is the color that you can buy in the store. And try this out. It's not something that's gonna be a drastic change, you guys. My hair is dark, so this is just gonna add a little bit of gloss on top of the gloss that the Moist Repair already gives, because it adds shine to the hair, and it helps to smooth the follicle or the strand itself. It adds luster. It softens. My hair is like butter right now, you guys. Okay, all right, so got my conditioner on, my conditioner color. So all I'm gonna do is take my detangling brush. These brushes actually are on sale for $7, which is the detangling kit. This will be on sale during our Black Friday sale. So you guys look out for that. So you'll get all 3 brushes and the combs for $7 during our 6 p.m. to midnight Black Friday sale. So you'll get the whole set for $7. Super duper excited. All right. Yeah, come through with the blue. And it matches my shirt. All right, under the dryer I go. Okay, you guys, so sidebar, the Black Friday part of the video was actually supposed to air like a week before the video itself, but it didn't. So today's Cyber Monday, you guys. So take advantage of the Cyber Monday sales. We have sales going on all day. So what I'm doing now is rinsing cool water, which is not my best friend. And I'm rinsing out that color / conditioner. If you guys could pay good attention, the conditioner went first. The color went second. I'm not expecting this to be a full-on color service. I'm just basically refreshing my hair, adding a little bit of luster on top of the conditioner, already adding that luster and that moisture. And then this is a semi-permanent fashion color. So it's not going to really do much other than add a little tint to my hair, okay? So that's what you see, that little blue tint. When I go to style it, it's going to still look nice and dark, but it'll still have a blue cast to it. So I finished off by spraying on our leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to go ahead and style my hair or mold my hair using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. You guys know I always recommend laying your hair in the direction that you want it styled and then going on with the wrap foam. A little goes a very long way with all of our products, which is a great thing about Elite Hair Care products, because as I always say, you guys, our products are professional products that are sold retail. We are not retail products sold retail. So what does that mean? That means that our products are used by professionals, are used as professional strength, but they are sold in a retail setting so that you can also have that professional product that we use and not that over-the-counter cheap crap that is selling in the stores, right? So when Elite Hair Care gets in the stores, just know that this is pro product that is provided for retail purpose, period. All right, you guys. So I went ahead and finished my mold. I'm using the little wrap strips to hold down the side. And then I used a whole wrap strip just to kind of keep it all together while I go under the dryer. So now that the hair is dry, I'm using some of our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum, which is actually a part of one of our bundles today, which is the Curl Defining Bundle. That bundle, I think, is $39, if not less. And it includes 2 Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum. It also includes 3 curl gels and a Detangle Me kit. Yes. All right. So now I'm just going through and curling my hair using a mini flat iron. You guys can use any flat iron you want, but you know, I like my hair nice and spiky. So that's what I'm doing. And then from here, it's all downhill from here, you guys. I've already done the shampoo. I've done the conditioner process. I've done it all. So now we are at the styling part, which you guys know how I style my hair. So you guys are just going to kind of see the finish in just a few minutes. But as I said, you guys, go ahead, shop our Cyber Monday sale. And I will see everybody in the next couple videos. I have so many videos to upload, and I've not been uploading because I have to edit all of them. So this is the start of the edit. You guys will start seeing videos popping up again on my channel for you guys to watch. Also, don't forget that this coming month is also launch for some other new products, which includes our new leave-in conditioners for both moisture repair and the hair repair and restore. It also includes our water-based hair growth serum for those of you that need a more lightweight serum. So look out for those, you guys. And once again, I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You've stumbled upon one of the best hair channels on YouTube, I promise. Okay? Also, turn on your notification bells so it'll tell you when I'm on live and when I post the video. And other than that, I think that's really all of the shameless plugs that I need to drop in. But I'll see you guys, like I said, in the next video. Keep watching for the finish.